welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and we're gonna get straight into the details about this wig. But first, if you don't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my fam and come along with me on this journey. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the video. Go ahead and get this hair installed, y'all. I do have a 24-inch 4C edges curly wig from SubellaHair, and this is the dust bag that it came with, so I will be storing the wig in this whenever I feel like taking it off. These are the goodies that came with it. We have some lashes, some nails that I actually may install because you see your girl need her nails done. We got a melt band, and let's get started. I'm actually really excited about this wig because it does come with 4C edges. So if you are someone who wants to have a more realistic, natural looking hairline, you can have a more natural looking hairline, but you can also lay them baby hairs if you want to. So this is what it is looking like so far, straight out of the packaging. Y'all can see right here, this is the 4C edges. You can always go in and customize them, trim them if you want, but I love how they gave us a length that we can work with and choose what we want to do with it. It does come with an adjustable strap. It has a comb in the back, and it also has combs near each ear tab, so it's going to be secure. This is going to be full. This is going to have volume. This is going to be one of the ones, y'all. I did go in with the Ruby Kisses. This is in the shade 11, so that's just what I use to apply all over the lace. This is like a first look. Oh my God, this hair is going to be so pretty. Oh my goodness. It looks pretty good like this. Juicy, juicy, juicy. What I'm gonna do at this time, I really could do a glueless install because this does fit snug on my head, but we will be going ahead and melting it. And to do that, I do have some products from the wig dealer. I have their melting spray, and I also have, that's some toothpaste. And I also have their touch up lace bonding gel. I haven't really used this one. I have used the melting spray, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and go in with the melting spray, and then I'll cut off the excess. That time to get tacky, so we're just gonna pull it down. My head is a little smaller, so I will have to kind of go in and like cut off some of this on the ear tab, so that's snug. I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure everything is melted down and dried. I could get a blow dryer, but I actually have stuff I can go do, so I'm gonna let this melt and then I'm gonna come back to cut this lace off. It's styling the hair in a cute little simple style, and we're gonna be good to go. This wig came how I needed to come, okay? Knots was bleached. It had the edges for me to be able to choose. I will be doing 4C and laid edges, so we're gonna do all of that in this video, so keep on watching. it's good morning, but it's the same video for y'all. I went to see my man last night. My hair was damp. We are fully dry. I put it in like a fake pineapple. We're just gonna go ahead and drop it down and see what it's looking like. I didn't sleep with my band on, and the lace did pretty good. This was my so-called pineapple. It fell. But I'm just gonna foof out the curls. It dried really pretty. I'm just gonna use this wide tooth comb to kind of just separate them a little bit. But I'm very pleased with how it turned out. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much to SubellaHair. All the information will be down below, so if you're interested, please check it out. I really did like the 4C baby hairs. And when I wash the wig, I may convert back to the 4C, but they still lay down pretty good, so I really like that. So I'm about to go get my day started. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.